Water pump pliers, these are some of my favourite tools as a plumber because they're so versatile. I could always use these to unloosen nuts, to tighten things up, and the slip grip specifically on this style of water pump pliers, which is referred to as the Cobras from Knipex. In my personal opinion, they are some of the best. I would like you to tell me what are your favourite water pump pliers as a tradesperson, if you know any. If you want to check out any of my long form content where I break down why you need these tools as essential tools as a plumber, you need to check out my YouTube channel, which is linked below, where I drop long form content all about tools and all about the stuff what you need as a tradesperson.